First, first, talking about what is exactly relative cell reference. Reading the first point. A relative cell reference recognizes the change in the location of a cell and update the formula accordingly. When a formula is copied across different cells, they change automatically based on their relative positions. Now, in order to explain this particular concept, I will create a Google Sheets. So first, I have created a blank Google Sheets and I will be giving it a name as per the protocols that we are learning in every sync sessions. Okay, we require to give a proper name to the Google Sheets that we are working with. It is still buffering, so I require to wait for 2 to 3 minutes more or 1 minute more in order that the Google Sheets will be loaded and then I can start working on it. So first, I will be creating a sample thing over here, a very simple formula. So first I'm typing grade 6A, then grade 6B using autofill. So first grade 6C, then grade 6D, grade 6E, and grade 6F. Same I will be taking for grade 7. So I'm just making use of grade 7A, grade 7B, grade 7C. First, I'm putting grades and I will be typing a column heading over here, number of tickets sold. After typing number of tickets sold, I will be giving one more column over here, and that is cost per ticket. The last column that I am adding over here is amount collected. So number of tickets sold. Grade 6A has sold 200. Then it is 236, 114, 265, 267, 243, 254, 256, and 150. And the cost per ticket is 50. So what I'm doing, dragging it so that all 50 will be coming over here. Now, just in order to make you aware, this particular concept we have already done. As you are able to see, amount collected is going in the next cell, that is E. So in order to get that particular amount collected in one cell, I will be making use of a feature that is present in Google Sheets, and that is text wrapping, and I will select wrap. You will be able to see that amount collected will be coming on two different lines, same for tickets sold. Now, in order to make you aware about what is relative cell referencing, I'll just put first an equal to sign. Now first what I require B2 and then an asterisk sign with C2. Asterisk, it is nothing but multiplication. Done. So clearly you are able to see over here the cell that is selected as B2 and C2. Now what does relative cell reference means? I'm copy pasting this thing in all the different cells. Now when I'm clicking 11,800, you are able to see over here B3, C3, then B4, C4, then B5, C5, then it is B6, C6, B7, C7. That means automatically when a formula is copied across different cells, they change automatically based on their relative position. So this is position number 1 where you will be able to see B2 and C2. This is the last position where you will be able to see B10 and C10. So relative cell reference means giving exact address of the cell, and when we copy paste it, the formula automatically changes as per the cell that is adjacent to it, or the cell numbers that we have made use in the formula. So this is about cell reference.